It's a room with a view. And next fall, it'll act as home to MBU's upperclassmen in a way that this university has never before experienced. The university's Dean of Enrollment says the new Spartan Village is about community, plain and simple.
The Christian mission is all about community, and what we should be trying to do here at Missouri Baptist is to foster a safe environment in which our students can live and learn together. They can learn what it means to be a part of a society that's different than them. We have a very diverse student body. And these environments right here, like Spartan Village, are what encourage those distinctively different people to interact with each other. I mean, you may have a person from West St. Louis County and a person from Zimbabwe living in the same unit.
Community indeed. The first phase of Spartan Village will house an additional 40 students by way of these soon-to-be upscale apartments. Those apartments will come complete with private bath and bedrooms. They will each include full kitchens and even plasma TVs. The buildings will be connected via walkways and landscape terraces. The idea? To build the best residential facilities of any university in the Midwest, bar none. And with dueling construction of the village's next-door neighbor, a 47,000 square foot sports and recreation complex, community at MBU is taking a dramatically different look.